Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. So I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern, really easy, really beautiful pattern for baby blanket. You can make scarf, whatever you want, you can make is this pattern. Is so all project is pretty good and easy, even beginner can make. I hope you will like it. So easy. Another side. Look like, see, not that much different. So let's start, viewers. This is loop 1 2 3 4. So this pattern multiple 4. I'm gonna make 40 chains, then I'll show you like 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I'm gonna make 40 then. So viewers, I made 40 chains, so I'm gonna add 2 more, or you can say plus 1 2. So I have total 42 chains. Whatever size you can make this multiple 4 then plus 2. So I have 42 chains. 1 2 3 4 fifth. I'm gonna make in fifth double crochet like this. Each chain I'm gonna make double crochet now. So now I will show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end. I have include this chain. This I have for 39 chain, double crochet. If you don't include, then 38. So I have 39. 1 2 3 4, then 5, chain 5, yarn over. I'm not gonna make in same because I have here. Next, in top of this next one, I'm gonna make double crochet. Okay, you can see how it's look like. Then turn twice, 2 loops on the hook. 1 2 1 2 3 4. In fourth, I'm gonna skip 3. In fourth, make double, then last loop on the hook. Turn twice in same. Make double, last loop on the hook. Twice. Last loop. I have 3 loops. If you include this, then 4. I'm gonna close them together. Then chain 3, yarn over, same stitch. I'm gonna make double crochet now. So like this. Can you see? So double crochet, turn twice, 1 2 3. In fourth, make again twice, last loop on the hook, same stitch, complete them together. Chain 3, yarn over, double crochet in there. Turn twice, 1 2 3 in fourth one, double crochet, turn twice, 1 2 3 in fourth, make double, last loop on the hook, twice, I'm gonna complete them, then make chain 3, yarn over, same stitch, double crochet. You can see this pattern how it will work. You can make cardigan, baby blanket, so it's good, pretty good pattern. Turn twice, 1 2 3, fourth one in fourth, same stitch, twice, complete them together, chain 3, yarn over, make double crochet, 1 2 3 in the fourth, same stitch, complete, double crochet in the same place. So I'm gonna continue, I will show you at the end. So viewers, I am at the end now, you can see this pattern. So here I have used chain, this chain 1, this chain and crochet. So I'm gonna make at the end, I made all chain 3, I'm gonna make here chain 2, okay, then yarn over, I'm gonna make top of this in the chain, double crochet. So here double crochet, you can see this pattern how it's look like. It's pretty good pattern, I hope you will like it. This time I'm gonna make chain 3, so one time you have to make chain 3. So all I'm gonna make double crochet now. Here I'm gonna make 2 double crochet here in this space, which is, so yarn over, I'm gonna make 1 top of this here, 1 double crochet, then 3 double crochet here, 1 2 3, then 1 top of this, again 3 here, one top of this, 1 2 3, 1 top of this, on top of this. Three, one top of this. So I'm gonna continue like this row. Then I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end of this row. So yarn over. I made here like 3 double crochet, then one top of this. So now I have here, I'm gonna make 2 here, double crochet, then 1 here in this chain space. So like this. So I made 2 here, then this one like this. So now I have to make 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5, chain 5, then turn, work. So again I'm gonna make here top of this double crochet, always, oh sorry, I stuck somewhere. Yeah, what's going on? What's wrong with you? So double crochet, so turn twice. Now I'm gonna 1 2 3, and top of this middle one I'm gonna make here again double, last loop on the hook, same stitch, 3, then complete them together, chain 3, yarn over, double crochet in the same stitch. So turn twice, 2 loops on the hook, 1 2 3, and the 4th. So it's 4th coming in the top of the middle one, like this. 3, complete, chain 3, double crochet, turn twice, 1 2 3 4th, sorry, I'm gonna complete them together, chain 3 and double crochet in the same stitch. So again I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end now. Twice, 1 2 3. So again I'm on top of this crochet, I'm gonna make the pattern twice, so complete. So at the end when you make this row, always 1 2, yarn over. This is the which is the chain 4. I'm gonna make top of this double crochet. So always like this. You can see this pattern. Chain 3, so this pattern is pretty good both sides. Again here 2 double crochet, then 1 top of this pattern, next 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1 top of this pattern, again 3 in the chain 3. This is so easy pattern, beginner can make this pattern. So now I will show you at the end this pattern. I'm gonna continue like this, then I'm gonna repeat this pattern. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop this pattern here. So when you stop your project end, you should finish with this double crochet. So this just make in 2 rows. So I'm gonna stop here. I hope you like this pattern. If you like, please subscribe and press the like and press the bell icon. Then next video you can have a notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment. So I hope you will love this pattern. It's really easy.